So I'm here today with Oliver Selby from FANUC UK. Now coming up in November, the 2nd, 3rd and 4th, a date for your diary. Come and visit this place and see the latest in manufacturing technologies. Oliver, what is going to be at the open house and why is it so important for UK manufacturers and beyond to come and visit?
Yeah, so we were delighted to actually welcome about 40 separate partners to the open house this year. We've got suppliers, we've got integrators and we've got distributors of our equipment from the UK and Ireland visiting.
What's the main attractions in your opinion?
So we have a number of new automation offerings from partners for a lot of the machines that we offer. So the Robo Drill, Robo Cut, Robo Shot will all have automation offerings on the side of them. And also to have engagement from those suppliers that can offer the third party tools that work alongside our machines and robotics.
Now you'll have hundreds of people visit here, so it's very important to register. There'll also be seminars happening throughout the week as well, won't there? How important are they in this as a fixture?
Absolutely, we're delighted to be able to have a full 3 days of seminars in the morning of each day, giving ourselves really knowledgeable insight. Will be a number of different speakers across many different industries and applications that we're talking about, which is really great.
With the way times are currently, efficiencies and production gains and all those things have to be the top of manufacturers' lists, don't they? So that's everything that's going to be discussed here, how to get costs down and output out.
Absolutely, yeah. So we're very lucky as a company to have products that are very energy efficient, and that'll be one of the things we talk about on one of the days, is obviously energy efficiency and how our products can actually ensure longevity in a company's manufacturing strategy, because the lower energy you use, or the less energy you use, the better at the moment, absolutely.
The open house here, 2nd, 3rd and 4th of November, Anstey Park in Coventry. Live, machines cutting live, we'll also be streaming live. It's going to be a fantastic event. Oliver, I look forward to seeing you there. You can register, of course, on the FANUC website and make sure you do.
Yep, thanks.